Hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, iPhone Bluetooth not working. Okay, let's get started and do everything step by step. Click like, then I will get hard, you get hard too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So we go settings. Okay, I show you one step. We go settings and Bluetooth on. Turn on Bluetooth, turn on. Okay. So okay, it's smartphone, Android smartphone, activation Bluetooth. So Redmi Note 7. Okay, click. Okay, so connected, click. Disconnect, click. Yeah, and your device, click. So turn off your Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth. Yeah, turn off. And first we need to clear the cache on the iPhone because or otherwise the method will not work. So again, otherwise the method will not work. We need to clear the cache. Settings. Okay, I show you very effective methods and fast methods how to clear the cache your iPhone. Okay, press turn off or turn on and press button volume down and hold 2-3 seconds and slide to power off. Guys, your Bluetooth turn off. Okay, so clear the cache, slide to power off, choose this and waiting 5-7 seconds and your iPhone turn off. Okay, you press button turn on or turn off and hold button 2-3 seconds and Apple logo. Okay, very cool and well done. Just a little more. Yeah, my iPhone loading, your iPhone loading maybe. So insert passcode. Okay, I showed you one step. Okay, now I show you two steps. Settings, we go settings and Bluetooth and your device. So turn on and click your device. Okay, pair and connected to device, connected. Yeah, mission completed. Guys, I showed you the first method, it is very effective. Check if this method works for you. Okay, bonus method. I show you bonus, very best, cool best. Yeah, it's okay. Method, iPhone Bluetooth not working. So press the volume up. Okay, how to soft reset with hardware case your iPhone. It's very best method. press the volume up, then the volume down, and press its button. Okay. Press volume down, volume up, volume down, and press button turn off or turn on, and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay. 7-10 seconds. Hold button and Apple logo. It's finished. Yeah, I showed you the first method. It is very effective. Check if this method works for you. Not. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you, guys. It's not a problem. Comment and ask your questions in the comments, and I will create a video answer. Click like, then I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.